Now, I know that a lot of people have been seeing Bitcoin and the cryptos, like do like a little bit of a research. Hey, everything goes up and everything goes down. It's all about when and how much, right? And tonight, I actually have 2 stocks. Now they're not $10, right? But I have 2 stocks that allows you to be able to participate in the way crypto moves if you don't want to buy crypto. So let's say, for example, you're an options trader like me, and you can't put an option out on Bitcoin. But when Bitcoin moves, just for an example as a placeholder, when Bitcoin moves, what else moves along with those companies? The mining companies, right? So here is a company that is a cryptocurrency mining company, and I've actually made a lot of money off of this stock this year because I've been swing trading it like way back since like January, all right? But if you just look at the swings that this stock makes, you're talking like major money to be made. I mean, you've got one here, 217% in 9 days. 200% in 9 days, all right? And you're like, okay, well, what about the next one? 140% in 3 days. All right? And I'm not even gonna highlight the smaller, because these smaller ones, they might look small on your screen, but those are still like 30 and 40%. Here's another one, 69% in a day. All right, here's another one, 36% in 6 days. Right, so you all get the point here. This is, of course, before it fell below its floor, its magnet of the 200-day moving average. But as you can see, we don't have much longer till it actually crosses it again, and then we all get to have fun, and we go get to make some money. For those of you who are swingers, you're making money already. But for those shareholders, you dirty people, right? You're a shareholder, then you don't have much longer until you can just sit your money in this and just ride it while it's over the 200. Because if let's just say, even if we take it all the way out to July. I'm only talking about a few weeks. Right. This stock is another one of those stocks that I can definitely see it making some moves in the next 2 weeks. I mean, it went up 10% today, so it's a stock that I've been looking at. Like I said, I traded it earlier. Now, this isn't actually on the list, but this is another stock for y'all to look at. And I know like they have like a class action lawsuit against them, but here at the Underground Wealth Road, we are just swingers, and we don't care what kind of background you got, as long as you clean and disease and drug free. We trying to get us some. We trying to get us some, right? So here's another stock, right? This one's only $3.93, Eric. So you can definitely add this in. You're looking at 43% over 15 days, right? So this stock also has one of those stocks that just has like really big swings, right? Very volatile, 30% in a day, back here in April, right? Then you got another, to say if you just were able to ride that whole one, 18%. So that's 48% that you would have made. I'm just trying to show you how quick you can double up your money. So that we started back in April. And if you would have just caught every swing now, I believe you're already at like 50%. That's another 15, you're at 65%. And then you go on this last one, which was over 40%, over 50%. So you made 115% on your money in less than 3 months, just by knowing how to swing. All right. So definitely, like I said, we got the course coming, Swingers Anonymous. It's going to definitely teach you all, how to really get in, how to make these swing trades. All right. So SOS is another one in the 10th spot. All right. So I got a third one for you for the 10th spot here. So I actually gave you all 12 stocks tonight instead of 10.
Yeah, you giving extra.
Giving extra, man. I'm giving extra. My Cash App, man, I swear it don't work. I don't know what's going on. The Cash App is the Underground Wealth Road, $, of course, right? But here's another one, Riot Blockchain. Same thing, same company as SOS and Marathon, very same thing. So remember, I said a lot of these stocks in the industries, they travel together, so it's the same thing. Like I said, it just went up 11% today. But if you would have caught it from back here, you know, you'd have been up 40% in 18 days. So not to knock it because you missed it, but this is something that you have to add to your portfolio. It's traded at almost 16 million shares on average. 31.41 is the price, and it's been going bananas, you know, over the last year. So definitely add this to your portfolio.